Hello and welcome to the DeliverPoint 2007 presentation on reporting on permissions. So first of all, I want to show you three different levels in which we can report on permissions. This is especially useful in large environments where it's actually difficult to tell users effective permissions to a particular object. So first of all, I'm going to choose the Site Actions menu and go down to Discover Site Permissions. And under Discover Site Permissions, we can report on this particular object on a particular site. So notice that we can filter out things that we don't need to see, such as login names, email addresses, display names, etc. And we can also report on a particular permission, so I can find out who has contribute permissions, who has design, full control, and so on. I can either leave this field blank and choose next, or enter a username. For now I'm going to leave it blank, choose next, and we can see from the results that the administrator, Dude, Nick, Sarah, Snickers and Zoe all have permissions to this particular site. The administrator has full control implicitly as well via a policy, and we can also see that contribute permissions are received. Now we can see how the contribute permission has been granted, and that's via the SharePoint group called root members. Now as I expand that, we can see how these users became members of these SharePoint groups. So either it's assigned directly or it's assigned through a SharePoint group as well, or a domain group. Now if I wanted to report on a particular user, I just simply have to enter the user's name. So in this case I'll enter Brett and choose next. And you can see that Brett currently doesn't have any permissions at all. So we'll enter somebody that we know that does, such as Dude, and hit next, and we can see again how Dude has the contribute permissions. Now that can be performed, like I said, at site level. It can also be performed at list level as well. So I'm going to drill down to a task list, and you notice from the settings menu we can discover list permissions and see exactly the same thing. Or we can perform the same thing on a list item. So as I hit the drop down, I can discover the site permissions using DeliverPoint and see who has permissions to that particular item. Okay, many thanks for watching the DeliverPoint 2007 reporting on permissions screencast.